I've had so many requests from people asking about food that toddlers will eat, food that teenagers will eat, food that you can get ahead with and get your kids fed as soon as they come in, food that's not expensive to make, and I think spag bol ticks all of those boxes. I'm going to show you how to make a big pan of it. It'll feed 10 people, but then it freezes, and I've costed it, you know I love costing it. And for a plate of spaghetti with the Bolognese sauce, 70p a head. Brilliant, let me show you. I've got a couple of rashers of bacon chopped up. They'll join my onions in this huge pan, and then in with the mince. I'm not pre-frying it or anything. Celery, carrot, tomatoes, slow cook for 6 hours. You've got a luscious sauce here. I've fed 4 people this evening, and then I've got 6 portions that'll freeze. Great little meal.